Understanding open house in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, open house. What does it mean, and how can you use it? Let's get started and find out. An open house is an event where a building or space is open to the public. This could be a school, a company, or someone's home. For instance, when a house is for sale, the owners might have an open house where potential buyers can come and see the property without an appointment. The term has a welcoming connotation, stemming from the idea that the house, or place, is open for anyone to enter and explore. It's a tradition that has been around for years, allowing people to host visitors in a relaxed, no-pressure environment. Now, how do you use open house in everyday conversation? Here are a few examples. Our school is having an open house next week for prospective students. They're selling their home and hosting an open house this Saturday. The new art gallery downtown is having an open house to celebrate its opening. While we often think of open house in terms of real estate, it can apply to many scenarios. Schools use it to welcome new and returning students. Businesses might have an open house to showcase their facilities. Community centers and public offices also hold open houses to encourage community engagement. That's all for today's lesson on open house. We hope this gives you a clear understanding of this phrase and how you can use it in various contexts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.